Our brand is CARDOT. It is easy to find us in famous researching engine or social media such as Google, Facebook, YouTube. You also can find us in some B2B or B2C websites such as Alibaba, Global Sources, eBay, Amazon, Wish. Each year, we will attend some famous global electronics exhibition such as International Consumer Electronics Expo Indonesia. We highly appreciate face-to-face business meeting or communication. Our company slogan: quality for survival, innovation for growth, quality production control, guaranteed customer satisfaction. We sincerely hope that you can visit our company to get mutual trustworthy cooperation relationship.
And also, we test the Bluetooth function, no GSM card. I remove GSM card. I only operate app by Bluetooth. This is Bluetooth icon. Okay. Now, unlock. Start. Stop. Stop. Location, GPS location. When Shenzhen Guangming. Yes. Right here. Yongchang Road. We are here. Okay? We are here. Now, a GSM. A GPS only Bluetooth function. Thank you. No? We are CARDOT. In this video, we will test the GPS modem with GSM or GPS signal. GSM card inside the GPS modem. GPS blue light is blinking. Blinking is in button. And unlock is GSM icon. Lock. Unlock. The GPS tracking. We are here. Shenzhen. Okay. Zhenmei. Okay. GSM card. Thank you.